Okay, so this is my Word document. If I am online, it looks like this. You can see that it's Word, then it's part of my browser. In the upper right-hand corner, it says Share. I'm going to click on Share. Then it's going to bring this up. I need to make sure that this says that the person who I give this link to can both view it and edit it. Once I do that, then I go down here where it says copy the link because I'm going to post the link somewhere. It makes me copy it twice for some reason. Once I've copied it, then I go to my class notebook. I find my name. I go under where I'm supposed to, and I just hit Control V. And now that file is posted, and my teacher can click on the link and look at my paper and edit it or make comments on it. Okay. The other way that you do this is if you're in the regular version of Word, you have to make sure that you have saved the document to the cloud, which you can tell because there's this sort of recycling looking sign up by the where it says save. And you can also pull this down and it'll show the right account if you pull down your name. And if it's not there, then you just sign in. Next to that, there's share, just like the other one. You click share. In the bottom left-hand side, it says get a sharing link. I click that. Here it gives me the option of either an editable link or a view-only link. I need the editable link. I bring that up. I say copy it. Once I've clicked that copy, then I can go to the class notebook, click under where I'm supposed to under my name, hit Control V, and now my paper is where it's supposed to be. So those are the two different ways that you post an editable link to your teacher so that your teacher can make comments and revisions to your paper.